Good morning, guys. It's week 5 of your virtual learning experience. We are in the second week of quarter 4. So remember, all grades are counting. Just to give you a little directions for week number 5, I have a couple of different assignments. Make sure you set aside about 30 minutes per day for your science assignments. I also have an assessment at the end of the week, which is going to be on a Google Doc. So that Google Doc is something you could write directly on. I've shared it with you in your biology folder, so you could check it out in there and get started on it. There's a graph on there. So you have a couple of options. I know Mrs. Pucci had done the how to write on a graph document using Kami. So you could do that and send it to me. Or you can print it out if you have a printer and take a picture of it and insert the picture right into the document like we did with the egg, the lab first week. That's in the week 1 directions, how to take a picture and insert it into a document. But there is a graphing assignment. I don't want you to lose that skill because next year you will be taking the living environment regions, and that does include graphing. And I don't want you to lose that skill. So a couple things this week. You have an ed puzzle and an ed puzzle on fermentation, and then a lab exercise on yeast fermentation. If you can't find yeast in the stores, don't worry about it. I have a time-lapse video that shows you the actual lab, the procedure for the lab. I also have the science guys again, and the science guys are showing like a little bit different style than I would do in my classroom. In our classroom, I was just going to do it in a plastic Ziploc bag, and you could do that at home. You guys could do that. The science guys did it with balloons, which I might try to do here in my isolation. So we'll see if I could get to that this week. If not, all the videos show you exactly what's happening. Make sure you watch those videos. So a couple things just to review again. Ed puzzle fermentation, lab report, yeast respiration, and third thing is the exam on your Google Docs, and you could write directly on there. It does include a graph. So if you have any questions, please email me. We're here at the start of week 5, and I'll talk to you soon.